Welcome back to Wild Taste Infusion Elite. Today we're making Beef Bok Choy in Abalone Sauce, a fast 5-minute stir-fry with fresh ingredients, traditional flair, and modern flavor. This dish is a modern, restaurant-style adaptation of a classic Cantonese stir-fry. We combine traditional techniques with the luxurious flavor of abalone sauce to create something quick, glossy, and full of depth. Beef and bok choy is a traditional pairing, but adding abalone sauce brings a modern Cantonese influence. Thinly sliced beef, garlic, ginger, and a glossy sauce. Simple ingredients, elevated flavor. This dish works because of two key principles: texture and balance. The bok choy give a crisp, fresh bite, while the beef adds tenderness and richness. And the sauce, built with abalone, soy, sesame oil, and rice wine, hits salty, sweet, aromatic, and savory notes. It tastes expensive, even though it's simple. Here's our mise en place: 8 ounces of marinated beef, ginger, garlic, fresh bok choy cut lengthwise, and our pre-mixed sauce ingredients. Keeping everything organized makes the cooking fast and clean. Start by velveting the beef with soy sauce, cornstarch, and a tablespoon of oil. This protects the texture and keeps it tender during high-heat cooking. Make and refrigerate for about an hour. Heat your wok, add oil, then ginger and garlic until fragrant. Add the beef and stir-fry for a few minutes. Once cooked, remove it from the wok and set it aside. Now we build the sauce: chicken stock, abalone sauce, soy, sesame oil, sugar, and rice wine. Mix your cornstarch slurry separately. This gives the sauce its signature shine. Add the pre-mixed sauce to the wok and let it come to a boil. When it thickens, add the bok choy and cook just until tender. Then return the beef and combine everything together. Proper stir-fry technique is what makes this dish work. Velvet the beef, use high heat, cook fast, build the sauce separately, and finish everything together. That's how you get a glossy, restaurant-style finish. Bring it all together, and it's ready to serve. The shine, aroma, and color tell you everything you need to know. Serve over steamed bok choy, rice, or noodles. You can also substitute mushrooms for a vegetarian version. Traditional base, modern flavor. A dish that feels familiar but elevated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for new Wild Taste Infusion Elite recipes twice a week. Beef bok choy and abalone sauce. Fast, easy, and fresh ingredients. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out some of our other recipes at Wild Taste Infusion Elite.